What if your Fire TV stick suddenly couldn't run your favorite apps? That's the reality Amazon might force on millions of users. Breaking news: Amazon's ditching Android on Fire TVs this year, and sideloading apps like Kodi or Peacock could vanish forever. Let's unpack what's happening, why it matters, and whether you should panic. For years, Amazon's Fire TV devices ran on Fire OS, a customized version of Android. Think of it like renting an apartment in Google's building. But now, Amazon's moving out and building its own house, Vega OS, a Linux-based system they've secretly tested on Echo shows. Why the switch? Control. Android limits. How Amazon customizes ads, tracks data, or integrates Alexa. Vega OS lets them own the whole stack. But here's the catch. Wait, didn't Amazon just update Fire OS for new TVs? Is Vega dead? Nope. Insider reports say they're charging ahead, and this changes everything for app sideloading. Let's break it down. First, Vega OS apps must be web-forward. Translation: developers have to rebuild apps specifically for Amazon's platform. Major publishers like Netflix might play ball, but smaller apps? And sideloading? Even if Amazon allows it, you'll only get apps built for Vega. Say goodbye to grabbing that niche emulator or IPTV service. But why risk alienating users? One word: ecosystem. Vega could tie Fire TVs, Echoes, and even your car into one Alexa-dominated universe. And hey, if you're thinking, I'll just keep my old Fire Stick forever, bad news. Amazon's likely to sunset Fire OS updates, pushing everyone to Vega. So, is this the end of Fire TV as we know it? Maybe. But it's a gamble. Amazon's betting you'll trade sideloading freedom for smoother Alexa integration and way more ads. Drop a comment. Will you stick with Fire TV after this, or jump ship to Roku? Smash like if you're worried about sideloading. Subscribe for more streaming drama, and I'll see you in the next video.